Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I am going to share a potential stock setup from energy sector, and this is a IPO stock. And a quick disclaimer, this video is just for learning purpose. I am not responsible for any losses you are making, so kindly do a research and learn. The name of the stock is IREDA. IREDA is nothing but the Indian Renewable Energy, and you can see this is a IPO stock just came a few months back, and you can after this IPO small tight flat kind of base, it broke out and it gave a wonderful move. And you can see this move is it gave around 230% move in just in a span of 2 to 3 months, and it shows that there is some kind of strong momentum happening in the stock. So I was keep on watching the stock, and it is forming a some kind of base, good base here. And you can see on the right side, you can see there is a pick in volumes that shows the institutional accumulation. And in IPO basis, you can't see much of volumes because it is a recent IPO. But in stocks, you can see volume accumulation easily with the kind of a volume. And in IPO, you can't see. You can just identify with the character and the structure of the stock. And I can see there are multiple gap ups. This is one of the biggest clue. There is one gap up here, and there is another gap up here, which are some gaps are unfilled. So this shows the strength. Gap ups are very strong. So I was watching this stock, and you can see there are tight pivots that are forming. See, there is a tight pivot, 3-day tight pivot. I think after this pivot is broken, it will broke out, and you can see there is circuit limit here. But now the circuit limit has been revised from 5% to 20%, so that's no problem. You can you can take a proper risk entry, and if it breaks this range, then it will go it will fly like this. And you have to take a proper pivotal entry. You have to wait for the entry and then keep a proper position size with the proper risk management. Then you can size big here and make a good money here. So kindly do your own research before investing and study the basis, understand what is happening there, how is institutions accumulating money there, understand it, then learn entry tactics, exit tactics, and then take your trade. So for more details, you can follow me at my Twitter account. This is my Twitter account, guys. You can see all the trade information, trade related entry exits of my trades, and what are the tactics to enter the trade. Everything will be posted here. And further, you can check out my website train2trade.netlify.app, where you can see all my social media links that will be provided and the information of the particular community we are having. And you can join our community where we will discuss trades and we will learn together.
For the Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join there. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.